The airline pointed out that demo flights of the aircraft had been held in Nagpur and Guwahati. Reuters budget passenger carrier Spicejet on Wednesday said it is exploring opportunities with Japan's Hitachi Holdings to introduce 10 to 14-seater amphibious aircraft operations. According to the airline, it is working closely with Japan's Hitachi Holdings to provide air services to the remotest parts of the country which have remained unconnected due to infrastructural challenges. Amphibious planes have the ability to take off and land from places that do not have landing strips and where no runway exists, thus reaching areas where there is no other mode of transport available, Spicejet said in a statement. Reliable, tough and resilient, these smaller fixed-wing aircraft can land on water bodies, gravel, and grass. The airline pointed out that demo flights of the aircraft had been held in Nagpur and Guwahati. Japan's Hitachi Holdings Incorporated, a part of the Tsunaishi Group of Hiroshima Prefecture, is a globally known pioneer in the small aircraft aviation industry. Hitachi Holding owns Quest, the manufacturer of specialized amphibious and non-amphibious range of aircraft globally. There are about 200 Kodiak Quest aircraft flying all over the world for the past 10 years.